Oba international market full of companies. My people, this one dey happen for inside Igbo, inside Biafra land. This is Oba international market that I'm going to show you in this video. My people, no be small thing o. They say Igbo come home, Igbo come home, Igbo come home. Some people wey get the IQ don't carry their business go Igbo land. If you go for this international market, what I want to show you right now, the market get compensation where they produce that thing where you want buy direct. You go waka, go inside the company, go see what you they buy, see where the machine they do am. This one they happen for Anambra State. My people, move go find out how this thing take they happen. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today are the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see they here, they bring you update of things where they happen for Igbo, things where they happen for inside Biafra land, things where they happen for Nigeria and for Africa. Would they here they bring you update back to back as they hot. Yeah, my wonderful people, the update where we carry come today. Now this international market, it be like say na this market where we talk that time, say na Alaba market for inside Anambra. They use them now as Oba international market, planning ahead to have more market in Igbo land. But the what's special about this particular international market, you go watch out for this video. Now this market get compensations where you fit go direct to the company where they produce the things where you want buy. And this particular one we want show you that they produce headlights, like trailer lights, like cars light, different type. And for inside this international market, for inside Igbo, for inside Biafra land, for Oba, as we dey talk, look at this, will not be a very great thing where they happen to our people now, because we need more companies. We need more companies so that our people where they frustrated go enter inside this company, they work, they get money, till they solve their problem, so that all these bad things where they happen for Igbo, it no go there. So there's more space where if you carry your own company, go for this place where this international market Oba, because this thing what would they do, nobody pay also, we don't even know the people. But when we see something good we go better for Igbo, it's my work. I will make sure say I bring and come here. Nobody tell me say do this. No, I'm not doing it on my own. Only the way you go fit do now to share this video, so that our people go know say that thing where they dream to build for inside Igbo, it don't there for international market where they for Oba. And some other market where they be for Igbo land now is ultra modern market. Not be like Alaba where they for Lagos, or no be like this one where they call trade fair. No, this one who they tell you now what the whole market where they be for inside the Igbo now ultra modern market where you go fit go compensations where they produce that way you want buy. We get so many things. This one now they produce plastic for here and headlights, but to plastic side now they show us. You go watch out for this video what I want to show you. My people, tell me why you no go share this video. If you watch and finish, you no share them. Tell me what you get. Share them so that other people go know say maybe they go they think no light oh, this kind thing if you work for Igbo, this one how they want take sell them, how they want take carry them. Nah, watch out for this video. This person will come do this thing here. Where in from go do am? No be from where he live. Now I think I'm come in fatherland, come home, come build them for home. So you can do the same thing. Let me show you the video for you to watch, and before we go come back, come continue.
Just look at this machine. I'm even speechless. This particular machine produces all kinds of motorcycle headlights, car headlights, trailer headlights. This machine you are looking at produces it. So guys, we find out later that our video has no sound. Probably the mic stopped working when we were doing this video. So the man was explaining to us how this machine works, how every production is being made here. This is Oba International Market, Anambra. This is where it is. They call it International Market Oba. Formerly, people know it as Alaba International Market. People think that they build it for Alaba, those in Alaba, Lagos, to come home and take control of the shop, because the shop that is here is in thousands. So this is the section of production company. This is This is rubber production company. They produces all kinds of rubber, all kinds of bowl, plastic chairs, all kinds of anything rubber, bucket. No matter how big it is, this machine produces it. You can see how massive the machine is. This is massive. This is Oba International Market, and they need people. The man is crying to us. They need people to come home and take shop, because there is plenty shops in this market, and there is a lot of companies, a lot of production companies. There are many in this market. So our people in diaspora, anywhere you are, you can contact us, or you can contact the management to get a shop for you. This market is massive. It's so big that there's nothing that is not here. They produce all kinds of things like rubber, like aluminium, like light, electric, this bulb. They produce it in this market. Everything is here. So our people should come home and take shop wherever you are. If you are in Lagos, if you are anywhere you are, come and take shop here. So this is a section where they produce soap. This is soap company. So most of all this soap you see in the market are being produced in Oba International Market by our brothers and sisters. And you can see them making the soaps, packaging the soaps. So most of us know this soap. We use it in our houses. So come and take shop here. Come and start up production company in Oba International Market. There is a lot going on here. There is a lot, and I will show you a lot of them. You can see them packaging. The machine is working. Everything is working perfectly here in Oba International Market. This is to tell our people. The purpose of doing this video is to remind our people and tell our people and raise awareness about something like this is here, about something like this. So you people should come home. Our people should come and take shop here. So this is a place where they do tarpaulin or anything leather, rubber, anything leather. This is, you can see this is how it's made. Rubber tarpaulin, thick. But this one you are looking at here is tarpaulin. They use it for multiple purposes. It's being produced here. So the man is explaining us how it was made, how they are making it, how the machine works. All this thing you are seeing tall like this is machine. The kind of machine in this market is alarming. Most of them, they can't even bring it to inside the room. They have to put it down and build the house before the thing will be inside. The kind of machine that is too much. It's too much. So our people should come home. This is another set of machine. In this, since I was born, I never see this kind of machine before. Before this particular machine works, they have to on it for hours for it to be extremely hot before it works. It have multiple. I don't even look at machine. This is all used for production, different kinds of production in the market, in Oba International Market. Our people should come home. That's the purpose of this video. We will show you the massive companies in this market. Come home, come and take shop. They are calling you people. The management are calling for our people. Don't be don't be somewhere else suffering for sure. Whether you can get a perfect shop here and start up your company, because these people here that produces all these things, they supply all over Africa. Most of them, they supply the Abidjan, Ivory Coast, Senegal, Ghana. They supply all their product outside Nigeria. Why is being produced in our soil, in our land, in Igboland, in Oba International Market? So they are crying for people to come and take shop, because many shops are here. Many shops are here, just empty. Millions of shops, you can see it outside, are here looking for people to come and take over. So you people should come home. So that's the main purpose of doing this video. You can see the massive infrastructure. Everything is working here. The guy here is explaining to how the machine works, how it produces, what kind of thing it produces. So I have forgotten the particular thing this particular machine produces, but this one is a massive machine. Even looking at it, look at how long it is from. I don't even know. Look at all of them is connected from here to there is connected. And as you are looking at this machine, it's hot. It's on. It's waiting for it to warm, to be very, very hot before it works. And you don't touch it. So the machine is too much. It's too much. Had it been this machine is working, they are explaining to us how, if you see how it's working, if you see how it moves, you yourself will be like, you'll be shocked. So this is Oba International Market. Our people should come home and take shop. Our people should come home and take shop. That's the purpose of this video. and thank you for watching. Share this video so that our brothers in diaspora will see it. Share this video anywhere, in any group, in any place where, just share it to our people. Oba International Market need people to come home. They need people to come and take shop. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, you know, if you are part of people who like good things, share them. One day you go see there your own village. Maybe somebody where you share this video give, go watch them, and if from your village you go decide, you know, say that person get money, if you bring this kind of thing come inside your village, and so development to the enter. If you carry and come, some people for your village now go can't get work. They can't get work. Come be another thing. Development don't they enter be that. So your work where you go do for here that to share this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is what we need in Igboland. Not be every time we they bring you we are Nigeria may buy and we are they buy this. No, sometimes we still bring things where they do good news where they happen for our land, so that we will know say the things where we they talk. People are doing it, people are learning, and people are bringing their weight back home. So make sure say you share this video. If you're from Oba, go and check out this international market waiting for inside Oba and see where what you feel do for inside that market. Now to start your own business, or not to rent shop, or not to go apply for work for here, maybe they work too. My people, thank you so much for watching and share this video. We'll see you for the next update as you dey hot.